Welcome back, Chennai. Shift Focus brings you Nazaruddin and Imad Shah. The father and son team were here in Chennai with their latest work, Kata Collage, an amalgamation of gripping stories with a comedy twist. Take a look at its fabulous narrative. Once again, Chennai was revisited with the work of the veteran actor and prolific director Nazaruddin Shah. His play Kata Collage derived a dramatic format from 3 stories, each infused with the quality that accompanies all good narration. The first story explores the relationship that exists between 2 brothers, with particular reference to their adolescence.
It's a very nice play, and it's a very sophisticated comedy play, because it's little difficult to understand, like, because it's not a normal you can say they are not using a full Hindi language, little bit Urdu is there, so it's difficult to understand, but it's a very good play. If you watch carefully, then it's nice. Otherwise, you missed it. We have a lot of Gujaratis, Marwari crowd here, and they like to come these kind of plays, because definitely the people from north, they are waiting, like, okay, like the people will not come here and do something here.
किसी की याद में रहती और फिर भाई साहब को नसीहत और फजीयत का अवसर मिल जाता है। मैं उनके साये से भागता, उनकी आंखों से दूर रहने की चेष्टा करता, कमरे में इस तरह दबे पाँव आता कि उन्हें खबर न हो। उनकी नजर मेरी और उठी मेरे प्राण निकले।
The second story centers around its 2 protagonists, best friends because of their shared passion for chess. And the third highlights a son who seems so different from his father, but soon resembles him in every which way.
मैं हॉस्टल से दूर है, कंदोवा लूट में बेतहाशा गाया जा रहा था। आंखें आसमान की ओर थी और मन उस आकाशगामी प्रतीक की ओर जो मंद गति से झूठता पतन की ओर चला आ रहा था। मानो कोई आत्मा स्वर्ग से निकलकर विरक्त मन से नए संस्कार ग्रहण करने आ रही हो। लोमों की सेवा करके और झाड़दार बांसुरी इसका स्वागत करने को दौड़ी आ रही थी। किसी को अपने आगे पीछे की खबर न थी। सभी मानो उस पतंग के साथ आकाश में उड़ रहे थे, जहाँ सब कुछ समतल है, ना मोटर कारें हैं, न ट्राम, न गाड़ियां।
I'm a big fan of his. Arth Satya was a big inspiration for me to do Kaka Kaka here, and it was one of my first and biggest hit. So first time I'm watching him alive on stage. I can't really follow that much of Hindi, but my friends here helping me out. It's a treat to watch him on stage. I think comedy anytime, any day, and seeing such a performer, anybody would want to be here. Theatre's full, and I also liked his son playing it. First time watching his son playing, and really enjoyed it. It's more of dialogues. I was expecting more of body language and a lot of here and there things happening, but it's more of dialogues. So here and there, sort of enjoying it. Not really. I expected something else, but it's okay.
In fact, I've come all the way from Bombay to watch his play, and I'm a very big fan of his. I don't think I'd get an opportunity to talk to him as close as I did at this time, and I think he's one of the best actors, one of the finest actors India has ever seen and ever produced, and I don't think anyone should ever miss his plays anywhere in the country. From what I understood from Shatranj Ke Khiladi, it was these 2 friends who were really crazy about chess, and they went up to the extent of killing each other because one of them lost. So they went up to the extent of killing each other, and it was quite good. The way they acted it out, it was actually a very serious play, but the way they spoke and stuff, they converted it into comedy. So it was a brilliant play.
उन्हें दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा तजुर्बा है और रहेगा।
The production in its entirety, be it in its backdrop or in the genius of the actor's craft, is significant of a plainness that is commendable. I really do wish great performances like this visit us more often, because we Chennaiites definitely have a taste for them, don't we? Well, moving on, men now have a huge reason to head out and shop till they drop for the new year. Anam's Man presents its all-new party wear line for 2010. With the new year right round the corner, Arif and Sons launched a flashy collection of menswear under the brand name Anam's Man. Chennaiites went crazy as they got a preview of the stylish shirt line in a fashion showcase choreographed by Karun Raman.
This is the second show that I'm doing for Adil, Anam's Man, and it's different, it's funky. Velvet's are in right now, so the entire collection is for men, and especially for this climate, for this city, very comfortable clothing to wear. And we did it with the same process like we did the previous show, and today it was at the park, and we had models from Bangalore and Bombay take part in it. I did the choreography for the entire event, and it was different, it was fun. We had 3 sequences today.
This was the 2010 collection that featured Italian fabrics made from fine satin, hints of velvet and the appealing cuff and collar look.
Clothes are really good, and I was just having a look at them, generally, and I really felt it's really nice, and people loved it, for sure. I like the men with a very regular look, like nice shirts, which they wore, and the fitting was really good, and the colors especially, and overall it was like really good, awesome. Generally I don't just go much and watch fashion shows and stuff like that, but today it was really nice, and something happening in Chennai like this is really good.
This is the second time I'm wearing this collection, and I think it's very much the Chennai kind of collection, because it feels so good. That's why I don't want to take off my shirt. And I think the material used also is good for Chennai climate, because I don't feel hot in it. I've been in this shirt for like another 20 minutes and I don't feel like taking it out. So yeah, it's good. I think it's very reasonable. It's being retailed at Gabbana. I think it's very reasonably priced. I would definitely be picking it up.
Sexy male models and sleek clothing threw an effective spell on both the men and women who gazed at this display.
Pretty girls, and there were a lot of nice looking guys and stuff like that, and it's very different to see the crowd of Chennai like this, because normally there are not many people here, but then looking at many people and many good looking girls and stuff like that, it encourages me and many other people to become models and stuff like that, so we can walk the ramp. The shirts are really good. It's really good for men, and they're very smart, and many people I think will buy them if it's on sale and stuff like that, so I think you should put it on sale. And the women's clothes were really nice, the dresses were really nice. Many Chennaiites would buy them if they were on sale, and I think you should put them on sale, because it will go out on a really good profit.
Anam's Man will be on the shelves of 6 different stores in Chennai. Textile India, Gabbana Life and Sri Krishna collections, to name a few. So gentlemen, you now have a whole new range of party wear to choose from. Now that's a sizzling men's clothing line that deserves significant credit. From a woman's point of view, I love that display. Coming up after the break, college students get out there and ready to compete at the finals of Campus Wildfire.